Problem number 5. Prove that BE is congruent to BD. We are already given that angle A is congruent to angle C, and we're also given that AB, so this entire length here, is congruent to CB. So I'm going to put a mark in there. So now that we've got the given, we need to figure out a couple other statements, starting with the fact that angle CBA is congruent to angle ABC. So what I'm marking here in this triangle is this angle right here, because CBA and ABC are the same angle, so angle CBA is congruent to angle ABC because of the reflexive property. And consequently, once we say that, we can say that triangle CBA is congruent to triangle AB. Let me see, actually, CBE, triangle CBE. So it's this triangle here. I'm going to pause the video and see if I can find a colored pencil or a highlighter so I can mark that up for you. So what we're looking at here again, now that I want to have this triangle now is congruent to triangle ABD, which is here, ABD, and what we've got is we've got an angle. Oh, we've got an angle and a side and an angle in the green triangle. We've got an angle and a side and an angle in the purple triangle. So angle, side, angle. And then finally we can say that segment BE is congruent to BD because those are each parts of those triangles. So congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Flipping our paper over, looking at problem number 6, we want to prove that triangle HDE is congruent to triangle HDF. And if we start with what's given, DE is congruent to DF, and EH is congruent to FH. And what we can say now is that HD is congruent to HD. I'm going to put 3 tick marks on that from the reflexive property. And then we can say that triangle HDE is congruent to HDF because we have 3 sides in each of those triangles that are congruent.